Hello. Well, it's early in the morning. Well, it's not terribly early. It's like 8 o'clock or 8:30 or something, so that's not early at all. But everybody's still sleeping except me. I got my rack done. Got some boxes on it for recovery gear, tools, whatnot. Yeah, I'm gonna be one of those guys. I'll probably put my traction boards right in the middle there. And I'm trying to find, well, either I'm gonna put my traction boards right in the middle, or I'm going to put a solar panel there to trickle charge the battery in it. Don't know yet. I maybe put my traction boards up here. I don't know yet. But as you can see, I got this all Herculined. And then I didn't really like the shiny, glossy look. It doesn't match anything, so I painted it flat black as well. I have no idea if it's going to stay that way or not, but I like the way it turned out so far. I still don't know if I'm going to leave it on the truck or not. I mean, it's going to be really useful, but then I'm going to end up being that guy. Which really shouldn't matter, should it? Because if it's going to be useful, it's going to be useful. It's going to have recovery gear, shovels, axes, things like that in that box. Tools in that box. Or that box, I don't know. Something. Not sure. But the other box, I have no idea what to put in there. Because I'm going to have tools, recovery gear. I guess I could put like first aid stuff and, you know, other necessary accoutrement. Anyway, I have no idea still how this is going to fit on there, how it's going to ride. I mean, I'm not, like I say, I'm not a welder, but I welded those brackets all up. Tried to measure like 4 or 5 times, get everything ready to put on there, and I guess we'll see. But that's it. And in order to prep the truck, I've had to take those out and get up there and look inside there and find out where the airbags are, the airbag deployment system, the gas canisters. Got to steer way away from there, but it looks like I'm going to miss them pretty good, so I have no worries about that. The only thing I worry about is drilling into my freaking top, and I think everybody's worried about that. Same thing on this side. Had to remove all. Well, I still got to remove that one, but I still might. Yeah, I still got to remove that one. But yeah, now I just have to wait for all the frost to thaw out and for somebody to help me lift the damn thing up there. I guess if I don't have anybody to help me do that, then it's all on my own again. But yeah, the bed looks terrible right here, but I did get some new stuff to. I still have the cover for this, and I've got to put some Velcro across here. But yeah,